Hi everybody, my name is Virginia and I am an embedded librarian in this course for the semester. I'm so excited to be working with you all. Today's video will focus on looking for some resources through the library's databases. We're going to start by going to the library main page and scrolling down. I want to point out that we do have chat service available, so if at any point you need help during this project, you can scroll down and see our hours. You can come in person, but if you need help remotely, remember those chat hours, and you can just start chatting here in this window. Let's head over to look up some things. So this is the one search bar. This will give you access to many types of resources the library has available for you. Let's do a sample search for one of your art history topics. So we're going to type it in and then hit search. I want to show you what different combinations of terms might yield in terms of results. If I put all of these terms in, I got absolutely nothing. How about if I remove one of those terms and leave it as Vienna Secession? Now I've come up with 180 results. Some of these seem very promising, especially when I start to look at the prompt for my assignment and see what I need to do. If I look at any of these resources, I'll notice a couple of things. One is that if it's available online, I can just click on that link to open up that resource. You might be prompted to use your student ID and password. If when you click on that link, your page looks like this, you have a couple of options in how to access this information. So you can download PDF chapters, the whole book, or just read it online. I also want to point out a couple of tools because you will have to incorporate citations for any source that you have used. This is the tool to cite the source that we just found. Cite book, I'm going to click on it. And I want to make sure I'm selecting the correct format. So in this class, you're going to be using MLA. I can now copy and paste this at the end slide of your presentation. If you are still working on a project, make sure that you save your findings so you can share the link to the book by email, by copying this to yourself and then putting it in an email or a list of documents. This is the link that's going to allow you access in the future. Please refrain from using the address bar to copy links. Since you have to log in to access these resources, it will not use that link for you to log in again. So always use the tools within the page itself. So again, once you've found that resource, you can either share the link for yourself or cite. Let's go back to our other results. Here I see that this is an article. So if I'm interested in learning more about this, I'm going to click on the title, and the screen is going to open up and look a little bit different from the previous one. In order to access it, I'm going to click on the link below Full Text Availability. Now I have access to this article, which I can read online. I also have the information that I can use to create a citation, or I can go back and actually use the citation in my result page and copy it into the clipboard after I've selected the correct format. So again, we're looking at MLA. This is what I would copy and then paste into my last slide. Let's do one more that might look a little bit different. So we're looking at the first three options. You might want to look at a video, or you might want to look at something that's in person, but say you are looking at a video. So if I click right here on the title, again, I have that citation tool, I can email myself this link, and then to actually open it up, I'm going to click on the availability link, and it will pull up my result, which again, I can use the tools here to cite and share. So let's recap. From the library's main page, I went to type in my key terms. When I typed all of those, I actually didn't get results, so I tweaked them. And once I tweaked them, I got a list of results, and depending on what stands out to me, I can open it up by clicking on the title, and then use the tools to cite and send that article to myself, or that book, or that video, whatever type of resource I just found. If you have questions, make sure you use that chat function that is available to you during the library hours. If you have any other questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks so much for watching.